Yo, this is just going to be a very quick ride. My Amazon order arrived earlier. I wanted to test out this new microphone, this other model microphone from MOVO. It's called the DOM1. It's labeled as a condenser lavalier microphone. I've gone through 3 broken ACM 400 microphones already. They just have this weak point inside the gooseneck where it just stops working. I don't know why. And the whole thing about goosenecks is that you're supposed to be able to bend them around without breaking, but it happened 3 times to me already. That's why I ordered 2 of these. I tested it indoors and it sounded great. I'm just not sure about the wind. Let's see how it does. It's been raining the whole day. I've been aching to try this since mid-afternoon. We're just going to ride inside here. There's no jacket yet. Hoping the weather will be better. I see the sun coming out now because we have a night ride. It's Friday night, boys and girls. After a kind of a really hectic week, it's time for us to unwind with the boys. Okay, wind test. Let's go! Yo! High volume test, shouting. What's up, everybody? My name is DJDLS. This is another mic testing. And then the whisper, the indoor voice test. This is a new mic from MOVO. It's the DOM1 or the DOM1. It's a lavalier condenser microphone. Oh, the thing with this mic is it only records on the left channel. There's no right channel for this one, just like one of those Shopee mics that I used to have. But it sounded great from my initial test earlier inside the helmet, but inside the house. So I hope this would be a better option for me. It's cheaper also. Here's the screenshot of my Amazon order versus the price of the ACM 400. I'm hoping this really is better, or you know, good enough for doing motovlogs without a lot of wind noise. I also wrote to MOVO. I told them about my 3 broken microphones and they haven't replied yet. I don't know if they'll be kind enough to send me replacements. I've already used the gooseneck parts of those busted mics. I wrapped this one with one of them so that it will still have like a gooseneck body, so I can position it better inside the helmet. Wind tilting up so that wind's entering my helmet from below. Again, I'm still waiting for the registration of my Honda ADV 160. I'm hoping next week we'll be able to get it so that we can go out and enjoy the awesome Honda ADV 160. That's it for this test. Thank you very much for bearing with me. This can also be a reference for other motovloggers, see what other microphones they can use. DJDLS here. Thank you very much again. Peace.